dyn Creu Cymraeg os ddod gan gan. Tom ydw i, dwi'n mewn blwyddyn 6 a dwi'n dwlu ar chwarae rygbi.
Seren ydw i, dwi'n mewn blwyddyn 5 a dwi'n dwlu darllen y canu.
Betsy ydw i, dwi'n mewn blwyddyn 5 a dwi'n hoffi nofio.
Izzy ydw i, dwi'n mewn blwyddyn 6 a dwi'n dwlu ar canu a dansio.
We want to talk to you today about our project, the Nos yn Lawen.
As part of our Siartiaeth Cymraeg, we were asked to come up with a project that would help us move forward in gaining our Bronze Award.
Before we even started to think about the project, the Creu Cymraeg was sure that we wanted the project to be fun and enjoyable.
We'd like to tell you how with this aim in mind, how we ended on putting on an amazing evening of Welsh entertainment.
We noticed from our baseline data that not many children spoke Welsh outside the classroom. It wasn't really seen as the thing to do. We wanted to give an opportunity to use Welsh in a meaningful way, using patterns that we were learning in lessons, something that everyone could be involved in.
The teachers gave us the challenge of getting the children to use the language of opinion outside of the classroom. Ideas started to develop.
In a Year 6 PE lesson where we were asked to create a mannequin challenge, which we did inspired by the Welsh rugby team. It was great fun, modern, and got a lot of reluctant boys involved.
At the same time, Year 5 had been moving on a medley of Welsh songs to perform at our school like Steadford. Mrs Mearing, our Year 5 teacher, had written a song to help us remember the language of opinion. After the performance, which the whole school loved, we just knew we needed to share the songs with a much wider audience.
So with these ideas in mind, Creu Cymraeg had a long but productive meeting, and the idea of the Nos yn Lawen was born, an evening of Welsh drama, dance and singing. This idea links nicely with Target 7 and Target 10 for Strata.
Although the teachers took care of the awkward things like setting a date and getting permission from the community hall, the Years 5 and 6 organised everything else. We got together to suggest different acts. Initial ideas included Welsh dancing, singing and of course a mannequin challenge.
The date was set and we had just under a month to put this show on the road.
The fact that we were able to use some curriculum time to build up and rehearse our act was certainly one of the reasons that the evening was so successful. Our teachers put on loads of different enrichment activities for us to help develop the ideas we had.
For example, they organised for one of our governors to come in and teach us dance your wearing, and we used a weekly drama enrichment session to help those wanting to perform the play to rehearse Merched Beca.
Year 5 used some time in their English lessons to write persuasive letters to famous Welsh people, such as Alan Ramsey, Tom Jones and Shane Williams. Unfortunately, none of them were able to attend. However, we did get a reply from Alan Ramsey.
After a few weeks, we realised that we were missing that special something that could pull the show together. Luckily, our teachers had been busy watching Britain's Got Talent and helped us develop the idea of a Roach House talent style evening. Having a modern twist to the evening also helped the evening to be so successful.
Some children put themselves forward as judges and presenters. Having the judges really helped us focus on using the language patterns that help us express our opinions. They worked with Miss Mazzoro to write a script in Welsh. It was great to be creative with the Welsh patterns we knew and to build in humour to the evening.
We all wrote bilingual invitation to our parents, family and friends, inviting them to attend. One of the reasons that we wanted to invite parents was for them to see how good their children were doing at Welsh and to create a positive experience of what the Welsh language and culture for all members of our community.
On the night we had over 120 people in the audience. We could not believe that the evening was so well supported. And from the feedback we got, we could see that we had definitely created a positive experience.
I couldn't believe the amount of Welsh language the children knew and used during the evening. Their expression and pronunciation showed they knew exactly what they were talking about.
An outcome of the night that we never expected was that we inspired some of the parents who attend our weekly Welsh class on a Monday night to perform in the Nos yn Lawen that was held for Welsh learners.
There were many things that contributed to the success of the project. We kept it modern and accessible for all. There was a variety of things to watch. We were allowed to use some curriculum time. And lastly, the fact that all the children and staff involved showed such passion and enthusiasm.
Overall, on Noson Lawen Evening was a fantastic success and had a greater impact than we had ever intended. Children show a real positive attitude towards Welsh culture and have been using the language structures we learnt outside of lessons. We also raised over £184 in donations to go towards developing our Welsh reading resources.
We already have plans for another event, which this time will include the whole school and parents. We are planning to put on a Welsh festival in our school field with games, activities and some sort of cooking competition.
At the heart of all we do, we will keep in mind our original aim to promote the use of Welsh around the playground and language in a fun and enjoyable way. Diolch I chi wrando.
Omelette, fi gerddais di omelette ardal. Omelette, Lara l'animal. Omelette, Lara l'animal. Omelette, Lara l'animal. Fi gerddais di omelette ardal. Omelette, Lara l'animal. Lara l'animal. O roi di gari di, o roi di gari di, yr eneth y l'animal. Roi di gari di, o roi di gari di, yr eneth y l'animal. Gofynnais i am gysyn bach, omelette, Lara l'animal. Omelette, Lara l'animal. Omelette, Lara l'animal. Gofynnais i am gysyn bach, omelette, Lara l'animal. Lara l'animal. O roi di gari di, o roi di gari di, yr eneth y l'animal. Roi di gari di, o roi di gari di, yr eneth y l'animal. Hooray!
Shmai, Miss Mazora dwi, dwi'n gweithio fel Dipro Proof of Faris yn Ysgol Gynradd y Gân. Dechreuais i 1 flwyddyn yn ôl. And since then, it's been our mission with the Crew Cymraeg to promote Welsh throughout the school. I'm so proud of what we've achieved at Rocho for the last year, with our Noson Lawen being a fantastic